What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update Google Chrome in laptop. It's pretty easy to know if my Chrome browser needs an update or not and if it's already updated. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Once you're in your Chrome browser, head over to the three dot icon and scroll down until you see an help option, and if you hover on it, you will see about Google Chrome. If your Google Chrome is updated, you can see the button click update Google Chrome, and if it's not updated already, then you will see an option in here, update Google Chrome, and you just have to click on it and your Chrome will be updated shortly. And then you have to just relaunch it. Yeah, that's it. If this video helped you out, make sure to subscribe our channel and give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave that in the comment section and we'll see you in the next video.